What is Sunnah? What does it mean? And how many types of Sunnah are there?
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam, ala rasulillah, wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, rabbi shrah li sadri, wa yassir li amri, wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. The word Sunnah literally means the way or the custom, and the Sunnah of the Prophet means the way of the Prophet or the Prophet's tradition. The word Sunnah, it indicates and means the sayings, the deeds, and the approval of the Prophet in the span of 23 years during his prophethood. It means what the Prophet said, what the Prophet did, and what the Prophet approved in the span of 23 years during his prophethood. And the Sunnah of the Prophet can be divided into three types. The first is Sunnat-e Qawli, that means the sayings of the Prophet. The second is Sunnat-e Faili, that means the actions of the Prophet. And the third is Sunnat-e Takriri, which means the approval of the Prophet. So basically, these three types of Sunnah are there in three different categories.